And tonight, state and local health officials are on high alert as COVID-19 hospitalizations continue to rise across Alabama.
The increase is causing some healthcare facilities to put restrictions back in place to try and reduce the spread.
NBC 15's Corey Pippen is live tonight at Springhill Medical Center. Corey, the hospital announcing today they are once again limiting visitation there.
Well, Greg, visitors will only be allowed inside Springhill Medical Center with prior authorization for special circumstances as concerns continue to rise over an increase in COVID-19 cases and hospitalizations.
Coronavirus hospitalizations in Alabama have reached their highest point in months. Tonight, more than 360 people are in the hospital with COVID, up from around 165 patients just last month. And as state health officials consider Mobile and Baldwin counties at very high risk for transmission, Springhill Medical Center is once again restricting visitation.
This is an infection control measure. Hospitals will look at what is going on in their communities and make decisions that will protect the staff members as well as the patients.
Dr. Karen Landers, Assistant State Health Officer, says COVID cases in the state have increased by 39% over the last few weeks, with the number hovering around 1,000 cases total.
94% of our hospitalizations are in persons that are unvaccinated. 96% of the deaths that were reported from April until just recently were in unvaccinated persons.
Visitors now need prior authorization and special circumstances to be allowed inside Springhill Medical Center. I reached out to Infirmary Health to see if they're considering similar restrictions. Dr. Cynthia Crowder-Hicks with Mobile Infirmary says there are no plans to change visitor policies right now, but they're monitoring the situation.
These surges, they stress the healthcare system. No one wants to take, family members away from the hospital, but it depends on the numbers. You have to make sure that we're being as safe as possible.
With around 33% of the population fully vaccinated, the state has fallen behind Mississippi to last in the nation.
As mandates and relaxation on the mask rules came into play, you also saw that there was a decrease in the number of people being vaccinated.
We are going in the wrong direction, and we have a weapon here to stop this with the vaccine.
Springhill Medical Center is still allowing significant others and grandparents inside the maternity units, birthing suites, but no more than 2 visitors at a time. Masks, as they have been, are still required. Reporting live in Mobile tonight, I'm Corey Pippen, NBC 15 News.